Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you to attach event listener without using getElementByID or getElementsByClassName. There is another way to attach event listener to this images. That is, we can use document.images.im1, which is the ID of this image tag, and I am going to attach event listener to it. So first parameter I'll be adding click, and the second parameter will be a callback function. So here I'll add alert hello from ID evt dot current target dot id. So let's save it, go back to browser. Now you can see here whether event listener is attached or no. So let's click this and you can see I am able to get the result from this specific image. That's all. Thank you.